Hello. First things first, I gave up on trying to fix that. I opened it up and realized I have no idea what could possibly be wrong here. Someone called me out on that as well, that why do it? Yeah, that is, in this case, that is a valid question. And sometimes that is the correct question to ask. Why do I do this? I don't really like the organ sound anyway, so I'm not really that interested in it. I just thought it would be fun to fix it, but yeah, so that's not gonna happen. So to learn when to quit is also a good thing to know and figure out. So except for not doing that and just getting rid of more stuff today, I actually got rid of, there was a shelf here before, that's the one standing there actually, so that one is gone, and this has been, I had a drum set there and all, just this has been a problem area. So I'm going to solve this or use this area because I need a place to have these when these three things are kind of the same height, and I need to store them away to the wall somewhere. So I'm going to put a shelf up here instead. And while doing that, I also started on the last beamwork in this studio. This has taken ages, and I'm happy that I finally started on this today. So gonna hopefully finish this tomorrow. This means that I can take and continue that one along there all the way over, so my sliding doors will work all the way to the end. And so yeah, so that's what I've been doing, infrastructure and cleaning up. And I am not going to go lower than this because it does not look like I've cleaned up. It looks more like I dropped a bomb in here, unfortunately. So, but that's the chaos before order comes. I have to break everything down to then build it back up, I guess, or something like that. So, anyway, yeah. Hope to see you tomorrow. Take care.